Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Uber Eats driver attacks the whole police department.
Police respond to a verbal dispute between an Uber Eats driver and a customer, but the responding officers get way more than they bargained for.
Oh.
You alright?
Yo, Pops, come down here.
What happened?
She was supposed to give my Uber Eats. Look, it says delivered. You know how Uber Eats works?
Yeah.
I'll look down the hall for me. She says I need to confirm the Uber Eats on the phone. I don't need to do that. It said my order's here. Enjoy your order. I did not try to attack. You don't got to say stuff like that.
Just walk in the lobby. I have someone else coming. They'll come talk to her. Just walk up the stairs over there for now.
I would have been like, girl, if you don't give me my damn food. Or dude, we don't know what she
How you
is.
doing, man?
I am at
Excuse me.
4625 Park Ave, Union City. Yes, doing my job, and somebody just tried to attack me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jala Russ. Jahli. My last name is Russ. Are you
He just tried to make that sound like a woman name. Boy, your name Jaleel.
ST?
Ma'am, I'm Officer Marquis. Would you call this, please?
Okay.
What's going on?
What's up? I'm here to do a delivery.
Okay.
The internet's not working. I asked him if he had Wi-Fi. He said no. I walked back outside to connect to the Wi-Fi. I connected to the Wi-Fi. I went back inside. He met me in the hallway. He's trying to attack me.
How you trying to attack you? How?
He's trying to snatch the bag. He's swinging his hand like this. I don't know what he's doing.
So is his fault that you ain't got cell phone service?
I don't know why he's doing that. And I'm walking back down to the room.
Oh, for one next time.
I'm already walking back down. I'm walking down.
Are you with the Uber Eats driver?
That's affirmative.
Right, I need the police.
I'm the police right here. I'm the police
I
right
need the
here.
police that I called for this delivery.
I'm right here,
Hello?
ma'am. I'm the cops right here. I'm the
Okay.
police.
That's fine.
Okay. So what happened to Uber Eats delivery?
He gotta be dumb as hell. Or she. I mean, it. Whatever.
Can I see
Whatever.
the delivery, ma'am? Ma'am.
No, the problem is that you met me in the hallway.
Listen.
You're not.
Listen. Stop talking to me. Talk to me. All right. Can I see
No,
the delivery?
no, bitch.
Let me show
This
them
is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am.
This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can I see the delivery, please?
No, you cannot. This is what I'm
What do you
telling
mean,
you.
no, I cannot? I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay, I work for Uber.
Okay.
No, you cannot.
I work for Seahawks Police.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
That's his order, right?
Okay. No, this is not
Did
his
you pay
order.
for it? Okay.
Back up from me.
All right.
Back up from me.
All right.
Let you know this now.
Oh yeah, man. If I spend $55 on some food and you don't give me my I'm reporting your ass, and I pray you never gotta deliver Uber again. Cause how you gonna hold my food hostage cause your internet start working on your phone? Nobody told you about that the prepaid platinum package. Shit.
I'll beat you dead out here.
Enough.
Do not play with me.
Enough.
I'll beat you dead out here, ho.
Enough.
He ain't
Get out
lying.
my face.
Stop talking.
I know, but I don't have to stop talking.
Relax.
It is enough.
Relax.
And I'm not playing with
Listen.
you.
Relax.
I'm not playing with
trying to
you.
figure this out,
This is
okay?
my last time playing with you, okay?
Okay.
Any other time it's gonna be that. Here you go.
This is his order?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
Do not
So
run up on me, you big ass
Shut up.
fake pumping with me. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing this. Get out my
Hey,
way.
look, you don't piss them people off because when they go into that D voice, it's a problem. You know what I'm saying? You don't fuck around.
Get out my
Leave the
way.
people alone.
Yeah,
Bro,
but
that fake faggot.
listen.
Get out my way.
Hey, ma'am.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Like the perfect write-off
The
song.
Uber Eats driver gave me his delivery and took off on her bike. She doesn't want to talk to me at all. Dark-skinned female on a bike heading down Millennium Parkway.
Alright, 14. Can you swap over to PD1? You're still on OEM.
At 14, she's heading down towards Mac.
Appreciate 4-3 and 4-5. 197 was on OEM. That female just took off on him. On a bicycle going towards 10th Street. You can attempt to make contact.
After leaving Osprey Cove East on a bicycle, the suspect evaded officers and continued to the TD Bank, moments before the situation escalated.
Damn, she was got that bike. He.
Roger, it's activating for You are not in trouble right now, but if you keep running, you will be obstructing my investigation and you'll be arrested.
27.
Stop right now. Okay.
Hey y'all, this finna be funny right here because he finna get his ass whooped.
I'm on 5th and Flanagan. She's still
That's not really funny, but it's entertainment.
refusing to stop.
40, was there an actual assault that occurred, or is this just verbal right now?
We were advised that the party armed herself and threatened the other involved party.
197. The victim's claiming that she had
The best part of this video is here to come, y'all. I'm trying to tell
in her
y'all.
hand, which she did when I was talking to her. Victim states that she threatened to hit him with it. Never got physical when they got verbal.
Dude, stop.
He's the dude, she's the dude, we're all dudes.
4-3, I'm by Duncan now.
45, 197 is staying with that party at Osprey Cove. I'm heading over to the phone to get the threat with you with 43.
Back up from me. Not playing with you.
4-3, she just attempted to hit me.
3
Oh, it's gonna get much worse than that, y'all. Just wait till they get inside that bank. When they get inside that bank, that's when the real action starts.
Units backing them up. Step it up.
I can't lie though. I don't know how them cops be doing it, but it's like they put the car in stop, put the brake on, and be moving out of it at the same time it's moving. I don't know how they be doing that shit. It's like a technique in the police academy they must be teaching.
What? Get out my face. I'm not a
4-3,
restaurant.
TD Bank.
Right by T-Day.
All right, this is where the drum starts right here, guys. Pay attention. This is where it gets juicy
I'm
at.
not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you?
She on perk 10, perk 30, and perk 65. The mosquitoes must be really bad in the way she keep hitting her thigh. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? It's about to go down right now.
You better drop that.
Where all my scamming ass big shine. Is that a Mike Tyson tattoo?
You are now under arrest. You're not going anywhere.
Bitch, get out of my
I'm
way.
not playing with you.
Get out of my way.
You need to drop it.
No, bitch.
Drop
Get out
it.
of my way. Get out 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 of my way. Bitch, get out of my way.
Let's go. What are you doing?
Look, they pushed that stupid ass out the door. Oh. Oh.
Get the fuck. Get your ass off of me. What did you do? Get your ass off of me.
Oh my God. Is that her wig? That's something.
Get off of me.
Run in there.
They're inside?
Dude, this is an easy one. Stop.
Ain't easy no more. What the hell? She hit him with a. Oh nah. Your ass going to jail.
I have to play with you.
I'm not playing. Get off of me.
TD Bank right now.
No, I'm not. Get off of me.
She hit me.
I swear to fuck did, bitch. Yeah, get off of me.
Oh no. I would have tackled her ass and jumped up in the air and said, "This is Sparta." Oh yeah.
Get him off of me. No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Get a comfort.
No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Listen, relax. Relax.
Get him off of me.
That is a strong lady, man. Oh shit, he bleeding bad. Oh yeah, I be pressing charges on her too.
Why should I get your name? I'm not gonna stab you out.
I'm in a double lock.
And we gonna threaten him after we already made him bleed? Oh yeah.
No, ain't no double lock. I'm not playing. No, I'm not listening to nothing.
Yo, Jesus, I got it. Relax. Make
Damn.
sure he's okay. He's bleeding.
Hey, Suze, I'm sorry you had to go deal with that, bro. You was being super chill as a cop, bro. Most cops are assholes, but
Ma'am, what's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
Jaleel.
What's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
What is your name? Hey, please.
We both gonna sue you.
What they gonna do with a bike? They gonna impound it?
Yeah, we both gonna sue you. It don't matter to me. Bye.
I get in there. He's like,
I ain't gonna lie, she wouldn't have did that with his big ass. He would have threw that guy down so fast.
hit me. He's like, relax. Tossed the bike lock at him, so I tackled her. And Jesus gushing from his ear. Oh, she hit him with the bike lock? Yeah. She cracked him in the head, bro.
No, I want to stab him. I want to shoot him in his face.
What's your name? I'm also here with the Chicago Police Department. What's your
My name is Jaleel Russ. I'm doing an Uber delivery.
Jaleel. It's Jaleel, dude.
Somebody tried to attack me in the hallway.
What happened though? That's what we tried.
Nothing happened for nobody to chase me down talking about I'm under arrest. Nothing happened.
They're trying to talk to you.
No, he told me about nothing.
Did you throw a bike lock on my partner's head? He's gushing from his.
I don't care.
All right.
It's not a game to me.
Game
I don't care.
Well, you need to take your ass to the crazy house then and go hop on one of them pills.
And I'm taking every last cent.
The 23-year-old female was charged with aggravated assault
That was a female? No.
against Leo, resisting arrest by flight, resisting arrest by force, receiving stolen property, criminal mischief, 2 counts of unlawful possession of a weapon, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, terroristic threats, obstructing, and burglary.
Oh yeah, her ass ain't never getting out of jail. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. See you guys at the next premiere. And that's it, baby. Away out. Yeah, I thought I was gonna see you. Yeah.
Police respond to